Hi there everybody, Tracie Ullman here, owner, founder of Soulscapes Reiki Laser Skin Center in Downingtown, and this is my second time at Leap Ahead. The reason why I chose to come back to Leap Ahead is I really wanted to dive more into the P.R.I.D.E system, which is the hiring process that we do as med spa owners. I really implemented the last time at Leap Ahead Dory's P.R.I.D.E system, which has really helped the consultation process happen for you. So if you're a type of person that needs help or structure in the hiring process of estheticians and therapists, injectors, massage therapists, and also if you really want to develop a strong consultation so that you are getting repeat customers by delivering wow experiences, I really recommend coming to Leap Ahead. You are absolutely going to love it. And Dory and her team.